Okay, so if you want to turn your slime into putty, you're going to take your regular slime and go ahead and put it in a container. Sorry, I had no intro. I'm putting my intro at the end. And then you're not going to want a container with a lid. Just set that to the side and wait 2 hours. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours. Let's go ahead and take a look at our slime. So our slime is amazing. Our slime is more putty-like. Perfect, it's putty. Now, I have 2 of the same looking slimes. So let me go get my other regular slime. And yeah. Okay guys, I got my regular slime here. I just poked it. I'm gonna just poking it down with a pencil because you're gonna need to poke it down with a pencil to make it completely flat. And then this time you want to put a lid on it, but keep the lid like not completely click. You just want to like keep it open, but like put the lid over it, kind of like that, that. So there's like open squares on the side, and set that aside for 1 hour. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours. Here we are, I have our slime. Just set it over here. Then you're gonna take your lid off. Sorry, my voice sounds a little different. I was sleeping. And it's completely putty-sized. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Everyone agrees on that. And like it. If I know, you could just do me a little favor and like my videos, and yeah. But the commenter of the YouTube video will be in my next video, so pay attention and comment for a chance to completely get a shout out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.